Hello book lovers, I am Elena Khodakivska. This is Cat Joseph, the Great Reader. Welcome on our channel. I hope that all of you have fantastic holidays. I was traveling a bit with Cat Joseph, the Great Reader. He was Cat Joseph, the Great Traveler. That's why I was really slow reader this month, and my TBR, January TBR book pile is really small. Well, as I am still reading this book, the only thing that I can share with you right now that this is pretty good psychological novel. I really can't tear off my eyes from this book. I was reading it while I was traveling. I read it every spare minute. Well, it's about three couples who happily live in a neighborhood. Surely all of them have their inner problems like every family. There are two best friends in these couples, and one barbecue can change everything. As far as I understand, their upcoming barbecue will change their lives, will turn their lives upside down, but I'm in process. That's why when I finish this book, I surely will share all my thoughts, emotions and musings with you. I will film my book review on my YouTube channel. Now, while Cat Joseph, the Great Reader, is having a nap, I will tell you about the second book I'm going to read in January. Well, actually, I'm going to read this book because I was a huge fan of Sidney Sheldon in school. I read all his books. There are only two books left in my collection because my friends asked me to read, and I gave them my books, and my friends didn't return it back. Well, the first book I'm going to read by Sidney Sheldon, The Sky is Falling. Actually, I didn't quite remember what this book is about in details, but as far as I remember, this is really good, awesome psychological thriller about a very rich American family, it's very powerful American family. Oh, but in a single year, all the members of this powerful family were killed in accidents. Here comes a beautiful anchor woman named Dana Evans, who doesn't believe in accidents, and she starts her own investigation. The more she gets involved in this investigation process, the more dangers she faces. Well, I will read this book, and surely I will do my book review and share it with you, but actually, guys, if you still haven't read any books by Sidney Sheldon, don't miss a chance. Try to read it because his books are really awesome, without an exception. Well, Cat Joseph, the Great Reader, is still sleeping sweetly. Meanwhile, I will tell you about the third book I'm going to read in January, actually to read. Well, Sidney Sheldon, If Tomorrow Comes. Well, as far as I remember, this book blew my mind in school. That's why I didn't regret a second that I will read it this time. Well, it's about a beautiful girl, a beautiful lady named Tracy Whitney. She's on the top of the world. She's about to marry into wealth and glamour until she finds herself in prison framed by a mafia gang. Well, determined to avenge herself on those who have destroyed her life, Tracy plays for the highest stakes in a deadly game. A game that takes her from New Orleans to London, Paris and Madrid. Well, only one man can challenge her, the handsome, persuasive and daring Jeff Stevens. The only one man can stop her, an evil genius whose only hope of salvation is in Tracy's destruction. Sidney Sheldon is called the master of the unexpected. Well, guys, sorry, yes, it's true. I will repeat once more that I was a huge fan. I read all his books in school, and his books are really stunning, captivating, mesmerizing. Believe me, by the way, if you start learning English, his books are perfect for beginners. That's why you will have not only English lessons, you will dive into the world of awesome psychological thriller. Joseph, the great reader, and me ordered some books on Amazon. That was our first time when we ordered books there, and we do hope that our books will arrive and everything will be okay. And we surely will share our newly arrivals with you, book lovers. Meanwhile, we have a fruitful January. We do hope they will read all these books. Liane Moriarty, Truly Madly Guilty. Yes, I am enjoy reading this book. Sidney Sheldon, the book that I'm going to read in January, If Tomorrow Comes. Believe me, you won't regret if you start reading books by Sidney Sheldon. And the last one in my list, in my TBR list in January, is The Sky is Falling by Sidney Sheldon. Well, book lovers, I'm Elena Khodakivska. This is Cat Joseph, the great reader. Thank you for watching our video. See you soon. Bye.